Setting up a clock widget on your Android home screen in 2026 is very easy and helps you personalize your phone while keeping time visible at a glance. Go to your preferred home screen page where you want the clock to appear. Make sure there is empty space available. Now tap and hold your finger on an empty area of the screen for a couple of seconds. This will open the home screen edit mode, usually showing a menu at the bottom or side of the screen, depending on your Android version and device brand. Next, tap on the widgets option. This will display a full list of available widgets installed on your phone, including system widgets and those from third-party apps. Scroll through the list until you find the clock section. Tap it to open different clock widget styles. You will usually see several options such as digital clock, analog clock, dual clock, and world clock. Digital clock shows clean numbers for modern looks. Analog clock gives a classic traditional clock face. Dual clock is useful if you track two time zones. World clock helps you view multiple countries' time at once. After choosing your favorite style, tap and hold it, then drag it onto your home screen. Place it wherever it looks best. You can also select different sizes like small, medium, or large before placing it. To adjust it later, simply tap and hold the widget again. You may see options like Resize or Settings. From there, you can change appearance, transparency, time format, 12-hour or 24-hour, or even time zone depending on your phone model. This method is quick, beginner-friendly, and fully customizable, giving your Android home screen a fresh and personalized look.